Batteries are a fantastic idea. They are in the early infancy stages at the moment. So having what's called a hybrid, which is where your home is still grid connected, so still connected to the electricity network. The biggest bang for buck is getting a good sized solar system to be able to put on your roof first. Second is to be able to put some energy storage in, a battery, so that you can harness the leftover power generated from the sun to be able to store for evening use. At the moment though, however, batteries are quite expensive. They will be coming down in price in the next few years, and I think most of our customers who choose to put a battery in at the moment have done so they've got backup for blackouts. So we hook up the essential services so that they can keep running in the event of a blackout overnight. Secondly, is to be able to store their own power and use their own power in the evening. Yeah, one of the things I say if you're considering a battery is try 3 months first with the solar system. We'll see how much power that you're exporting back to the grid. We'll track that on our monitoring and we can work out the right size battery in the future.